Hello foodies, welcome to Foodland. It was one of those nights where I had no energy to cook meal but thought of sharing this instant pot recipe. So this is my chicken pulao ready in literally 15-20 minutes and a simple Boondi raita. So let's see the ingredients and start with the recipe. Alright, so let's make this quick and easy instant pot chicken pulao. So I have taken 2 chicken breasts and cube size is this much. I have 1 bay leaf, a half tablespoon of cumin seeds, 2 cinnamon sticks. Then this is the masala. I have the tomato paste and coconut milk along with some of the spices, which is garam masala powder, biryani pulao masala, red chili powder and some salt to taste. This is about 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 1 sliced onion, 2 green chilies, mint chopped and coriander chopped, 2 boiled eggs, oil, pure ghee and almost 1.5 cups of rice. This is basmati rice. I have washed and soaked it for about 20-25 minutes. So let's start with the instant pot chicken rice. Let's first put the instant pot on saute mode for 15 minutes. Add about 2 tablespoons of oil. And 1 tablespoon of pure ghee. Let it melt. Once you see the ghee is melted, let's add cumin seeds. This is gonna be very quick and easy chicken pulao in instant pot. If you do not have instant pot, you can simply do it in one pot on a gas. Just the cooking process will be a little slower on the gas if you do it. That will take about 20 minutes to cook the rice and chicken, but in instant pot it will be only 5 to 6 minutes after sauteing the chicken. So let's add the cinnamon sticks and bay leaf. Once you see the cumin seeds are spluttering, we can go ahead and add ginger garlic paste and green chilies. Time to add onion. Let this cook. It's one of those nights where you do not want to cook anything, but you still have to feed your family and yourself. So this is what I am going through right now. So I thought of, just making the video of this recipe. And of course that gives me beautiful vibrations when I share the recipe with you. So here you go. Let the onion cook for about 2 minutes. While my onion is sauteing, let me tell you about this paste again. This is nothing but the tomato puree, and I've added the biryani pulao masala and garam masala, red chili powder, salt and coconut milk. So this is the paste of that. This is going to give us beautiful flavors to the rice. I love to cook everything in coconut base, so this is a try to make it fusion with that coconut milk and biryani pulao masala. Let this cook. We are not making biryani, so no layering is needed. Let's add some mint and coriander for flavoring. Look at this beautiful color. Let this cook first before we add chicken. Once you see the oil is oozing out, time to add the chicken. I have taken boneless chicken breast, but you can use the with bone pieces also, but I just didn't have it, so saute this chicken in this masala really well. This is the time chicken is going to get the flavors of this masala. Let's add some water because we do not want to make the bottom burn, and of course some water will help us get the chicken into that masala. So just few tablespoons of water, nothing much. Right, so this chicken is well coated and already started cooking on the saute mode, but let's add rice before that, before it cooks any further, because we want this rice also to be absorbed by the masala paste and other flavors. Mix it well. I've taken basmati rice. Time to add almost 1.5 cups of water. Do not want much water. Our work is done. Let's test and see if you need salt or something. It looks fine. Let's add some more mint on the top and cover this. Put the nozzle on the ceiling, not venting. And I'm going to cancel the saute mode and pressure cook it for about 5 minutes. And that's it. In the meantime, I'm going to make Boondi raita to go along with the raita mixture. I have sugar, salt and black pepper crushed. Add yogurt. This is a fresh yogurt. And I like to add sour cream just for that rich creamy texture. Alright, mix this well. And I also like some green flavoring, which is mint and coriander. So once I am on the table serving rice, I'm going to add bundi that time. So I'm just going to make this yogurt mixture ready. If you do not like bundi, you can add cucumber, then onion, tomato, anything like that. All right, so my 5 minutes were over, and then I kept it for about 14-15 minutes, and then I turned the nozzle to venting. So let's see. There you go. With this steam, I smell this chicken pulao, so yummy. Alright, so if you can see, my chicken pulao is ready. Get the fork and just try to get the rice which is sitting down here. Just loosen it out. Super easy, super tasty. My rice and chicken both are really well cooked. I can show you. This was the piece. There you go. Just beautifully cooked. The rice is all not mushy, just beautiful texture. Now, for that extra flavor, I'm going to add half a tablespoon of ghee. Let it melt all by itself in steam. So I'm going to serve it, and add some coriander, mint. I wish I could let you smell this through the phone, but I cannot. It is smelling deliciously amazing. So my chicken pulao, this quick and easy dinner recipe is ready. Let me get it in the plate. If you can see, here you go. Add some eggs and some more mint. Here you go, my quick and easy rice is ready. So I've added some boondi in the yogurt mixture, and this quick and easy dinner. Alright, so here is my quick and easy instant pot chicken pulao ready with this boondi raita, and I have not invested much time here. It was done in less than 20 minutes. Super delicious, super tasty, and complete meal. So I hope you like this recipe. If you like this recipe, do try it at home and comment your feedback. If you like this recipe, please hit the like button, share with your friends and families, and do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification to see more such quick and easy, interesting, flavorful recipes. Thank you so much. See you next time. Bye-bye.